tabletop position. Anchoring your palms into the ground and your knees and your toes. And start doing nice hip circles to the left and to the right. Allowing yourself to inhale on one side and exhale, releasing on the other. Relax your shoulders, allowing your head to hang. Creating head circles as well. Reversing. Just hydrating your spine and your body, slowly pressing your back away from your hands to the ceiling. Take a nice inhale in. Exhale, releasing. And on the inhale, bringing your chest up, head up to the sky. Exhale, release. Doing a few of these cat-cows on your own. Inhaling as you press your hips back. Exhaling as you're pressing the floor away from you. One more. Exhale, release. Coming back into a neutral tabletop position. Inhale all the way up into your knees. Start doing some nice hip circles here. To the left and to the right, bringing your hands on your legs. Just getting a different feeling. And then coming back into your tabletop position. Widen your knees as far as the mat. Take a nice inhale in. Bringing your toes together to touch. Exhale, pressing back into a child's pose. Allowing your hips to hang heavy. Maybe climbing your hands out. Placing your third eye on the mat. Take a deep belly inhale in here. Open your mouth and let it out. Inhale deeply. Open your mouth and let it out. One more, but this time I want you to flip your palms up. Acknowledging some of the things that maybe you are looking to receive. Inhale, receive those blessings you deserve. Exhale, releasing all doubt, allowing yourself to be even heavier here. Taking your hands, giving them a nice touch on the nape of your neck. Opening up your chest, we're going to take 3 large breaths here. Take an inhale in. Open your mouth and let it out. Inhale. Open your mouth and let it out. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely, bringing your hands back up front, flipping those palms facing down. Keeping those toes touched, slowly rock up on your knees. All the way into those palms, bringing your pelvis to the floor, your shoulders as magnets, your chest high, your neck back, your head back, maybe your tongue out. Take a nice inhale in. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale, pressing back into that child's pose. Feeling here, feeling that stretch, stretching your shoulders as magnets, palms anchored. Take a nice inhale in, we rise. Exhale, we release. Inhale, we rise. Exhale, we release. Inhale, awareness. Exhale, fog. Inhale, clarity. Exhale, confusion. Releasing. Inhale, transformation. Exhale, doubt. Placing your third eye on the mat. Allowing yourself to bring your palms facing up to receive. You deserve to receive every single thing you desire. Surrender that of everything that may be holding you back or keeping you captive. And allow yourself to receive those things that are made for your highest good. Take a deep inhale in, bringing the breath into your lungs, spiraling. Exhale, releasing out everything to the ground, rocking yourself back up into a nice tabletop position. Leaning back into a hero's pose, opening your arms up. Exhale, pressing it down, back behind you. Inhale, open your heart, your knuckles out, shoulders as magnets, belly button to the spine. Inhale, lengthen, make your way to support. Exhale, fold over. Hold in here, whatever comfort. Maybe placing that third eye on the mat, holding, taking a nice energetic inhale in here. Exhale. On your next inhale, bring your chest back up. Exhale, releasing those hands, shaking. Releasing that energy, lasting energy, maybe shaking your head. Yes. Rolling it. Maybe your shoulders. Bringing your hands up, inhale. Prayer position at the top. Exhale to your third eye, relaxing your shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you for coming to this practice to reset your nervous system and your body. Thank you for choosing yourself, honoring yourself, and the vessel that you're occupying. My name is Radiance, and it's been an honor to reset with you. I look forward to seeing all the beautiful things you're going to accomplish in the world with your gifts and talents that you're nurturing through your practice. Inhale in, exhale.